Tito.
The fish look at me like this and run away.
Bah.
The fish looking at me, he stopped and stared to me like this. What are you?
Who are you?
Oh, I love the rock here. Corals. Oh, you don't want to touch.
My skin, it hurts.
Huh?
It hurts.
Yeah. That's good.
I want to swim there, oh. Yung super low lang, mga 2
Right
feet.
here's low. You want to try
3
here?
feet, I don't like. I'm scared here. Mga 3 feet.
Oh, careful. Look at the coral. Look how sharp. Look at the sea urchin. Look. The
Wow.
black one.
Yeah.
You want to go back?
Wow, look at the big lagoon here in El Nido. Super pretty. Look how pretty ng water.
Okay. Can I take this one? This one. I'm gonna like drop it again. Back to the boat, huh?
Back to the boat. Dito.
Wait.
Uy, scary Tita Lace.
Are you see?
Scared ang tita.
Aircon.
Aircon.
Alright, let's go.
You're happy? I want to swim there, oh. With you.
You record me swimming?
Oo.
Oh, we have to go back?
Oo.
Can I go this way? Or yes?
I want to swim there, oh. Like a 2 feet.
Huh?
2 feet.
It's deep everywhere though. I don't touch the floor. Is that a door? No.
I don't know.
Oh look, the cave. Look, you wanna go? Look,
I don't know how to go
You
back.
wanna
Yeah.
it's okay?
I don't know how to back.
Record only, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm gonna push us through.
Dito. Ala. Careful. Aray ko.
Yes. Oh my god, look, crazy.
I'm scared.
Looks